Hello everyone. Today I want to play share with my dad. I will play something called Alien Game. If he accept me. Yes, now it's Italian game. But you want to know why I want to play this? Because I try to keep shade alive. Because of the whole game had root from shade I did think that not do anything to me. Because of that, I will fasten. Now my plan has changed. I want to develop my theory. Still be continue. I try to think with him like this. I think I'm still alive. Just slowly and beginning like peaceful of mind. I have had to develop. It's better way you can pass me.